Hi guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper of Saturday, March the 6th, 2021. Yes, the second Sudoku, yeah. I only do 4, so 2 out of 4 it will be this one. And this one will be a number 2429. Yes, 2429. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. The 4 Stars Sudoku has 24. Correct me if I'm wrong. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Yes, 7 in this column, 7 in the last column. So in the column between, the only 3 placed for the 7 should be here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. Here 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. So we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes. In this column, 7 in the middle column. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And then, I cannot continue with the 7. How about the number 4 in this column, 4 in the second column? So in the first column, the only place for the 4 should be there. Then 3. The 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between, the middle column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 6. We have a 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between, the middle column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Yes. In this big square, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, so no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. So 2 boxes left for the 5. The 5 could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. Yeah. Let me see. 3, 3, 8 is missing. 7. So 5 and 3. Alright. 3, 3. Yeah. 3, yes. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in the middle column for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then the 9. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 9. We have a 7 and a 9 in this row, so no 7 and a 9 in this box. The 7 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. Alright. Then. How about the number 6, 4, 4, 4, 5. I'm thinking. 2. Interesting. 3, 3. Yeah. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. So we have a 3 in this row. 3 in the row below. So in the last row, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the 3rd column. So this box cannot be a 3 anymore. This box should be a 3. Alright. 3, 4, 4, 4. Let me think. 7. Do we have all the 5s? No. 5 should be here also. 6. We have a 9 in this column. 9 in the first column, so the column between. The second column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. There 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 9. 2. 2, 8. 2, 8. 6 should be here. 4 should be there. Yeah. Alright. 7. 6. Let me put some numbers. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the 3rd column, 6 in the 1st column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Alright. 5, 4, 3, 7. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, so no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here or there. We see there 7, so no 7 there. only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the first column. So the column between, only place for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can't be 7 anymore. This box should be a 7, and this box should be a 9. Alright. Do we have all the 7s? Yes, and all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. Alright. 3 and 8. Alright, 8. One number left in the second column for the number 8. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. Alright. 1 number left in this column for the number 8. Alright. And we have a pair. Yes, 6 in this row. 6 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places for the 6. Could be here, could be there. Same story with the 8. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 8. Could be here, could be there. So we have a pair, 6 and an 8. So 1 number left in the third row for the number 3. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2, we have a 2 there, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row, so on the third row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, we see here a 1. So no 1s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 1. Digit number 2, number 1. Alright. 1 box left in the first column for the number 8. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and 2. 6 and 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 6 and 2. 1 number left in this first row for the number 3. Alright. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row above, the middle row. So the row above. The only place for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. Alright. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 3. Alright. 2 numbers left in this row, the middle row for the numbers 8 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 8 and 6. And we have a pair here. This is a pair. Alright. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 5. Alright. 1 number left in this row for the number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 9. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 9 goes there. So we have a 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. 2 and 6. Let me mark those two boxes. So we have a pair here, 2 and a 6. So what number is this box in the last row for the number 8? Alright. Now we have an 8 here. So this box can't be 8 anymore. This box should be an 8. And this box should be a 6. One box left in this column for the number 2. 2 is missing. Alright. Now we have an 8 there. So no 8 there. 8 should be here. And a 6 goes there. One number left in this big square. For the number 9. One box left in this column for the number 6. Now we have a 6 there. So this box can't be 6 anymore. This box should be a 6. And this box should be a 2. Now we have a 6 here. So this box can't be 6 anymore. This box should be a 6. And this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. We have a 2 there, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. 4 star Sudoku. Well, maybe 2 star or 3 stars, but not a 4 stars. A 4 star Sudoku, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. But I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the last 2 puzzles. A binary one and a tectonic one. See you later. Bye bye for now.